Since its founding in 2003, East Plano Islamic Center, also known as EPIC, has placed community service at the heart of its mission. Over the years, we have built programs that touch lives, uplift those in need, and strengthen the fabric of our society. At EPIC, community service is not just an initiative, it is an essential part of our faith. Islam teaches us that true leadership is through service. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who bring the most benefit to others." Inspired by this principle, working tirelessly to ensure that EPIC is a place of hope, support, and impact for the entire community. EPIC Medical Clinic, a pillar of compassionate healthcare. Since its inception, the EPIC Medical Clinic has been a lifeline for thousands of patients, offering essential healthcare services that bridge the gap for those without access to medical insurance. Our dedicated team of 30-plus board-certified physicians, specialists, and healthcare volunteers provide general checkups and preventative care. To date, EPIC has served about 4,500-plus patients, saving $5 million for the state of Texas. EPIC Mobile Medical Clinic, healthcare beyond boundaries. At EPIC Mobile Medical Clinic, we take compassionate healthcare on the road, ensuring that no one is left behind when it comes to medical services. Designed to reach communities with limited access to healthcare, our state-of-the-art mobile clinic brings quality medical care directly to those who need it most, right where they are. Partnering with local organizations, mosques, churches, and shelters to serve vulnerable populations. With an ever-growing need for accessible healthcare, our vision is to expand our mobile fleet, increase outreach efforts, and strengthen partnerships with local government agencies, hospitals, and relief organizations.
This is amazing. I am here at PALS, and I know EPIC has played an integral role in taking care of our families and our people, but this is an amazing vehicle, and the physicians and the doctors and everyone associated, it just doesn't get any better than this.
EPIC Food Pantry, nourishing lives, strengthening communities. The EPIC Food Pantry was born out of necessity and compassion, launched in 2020 as a response to the COVID-19 pandemic. During a time of unprecedented hardship, we recognize the urgent need to combat food insecurity and ensure that families in our community had access to nutritious meals. What began as a drive-through food distribution initiative quickly evolved into a lifeline for thousands of families, growing into a sustained, long-term program committed to serving those in need. Since its inception, the EPIC Food Pantry has distributed millions of meals, ensuring that no family goes hungry. EPIC Blanket Drive, spreading warmth, restoring dignity. At EPIC, we believe that no one should have to endure the cold without protection. Through our annual blanket drive for the homeless, we distribute blankets, gloves, and beanies to those experiencing homelessness, ensuring they have warmth and comfort during the harsh winter months. This initiative is made possible through our strong partnerships with Our Calling, Austin Street Shelter, and direct outreach on the streets.
Hi guys, this is Teresa from Austin Street, and we just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. We are so pleased to be working with folks that are passionate about our homeless neighbors in the community, and we love to work with EPIC. Thank you.
EPIC Meals on Wheels, nourishing the hungry, one meal at a time. At EPIC, we believe that a warm meal can provide more than just nourishment. It can restore dignity and offer hope. Through our Meals on Wheels program, we bring freshly prepared hot meals directly to the homeless, both on the streets and in shelters, ensuring that those in need receive nutritious and wholesome food. This initiative is made possible through strong partnerships with Our Calling, Garland Glows, and other local shelters, allowing us to reach thousands of individuals who might otherwise go hungry.
3 years ago, when inclement weather started hitting really hard in Dallas, and I get a text from this guy, Samir, and I'm like, I don't know who this is. Samir texts me and says, and he calls me and he says, hey, what do you need? And I said, I don't know who you are, but we need blankets. And then I was amazed the next day when they showed up with not a box of blankets and not a box truck of blankets, but like 3 box trucks full of blankets. It was amazing. The relationship that we've had with EPIC has been epic, nothing short of that. Beautiful. Because when there is a disaster and a crisis, we don't have to call you. You are calling us, saying, how can we help? And that is a beautiful expression. So thank you for what you've done with us, and thank you for what you're continuing to do with the community. You are a model of what the rest of the world should be doing, so thank you.
EPIC Feed Children Everywhere. FCE. Fighting hunger, building community. At EPIC, we are committed to ensuring that no child goes to bed hungry. Through our Feed Children Everywhere, FCE initiative, we bring together faith communities, relief organizations, and volunteers to make a real impact. In partnership with Richardson Interfaith Alliance U.S. Hunger and Compassionate DFW, EPIC hosts a mass meal packing event where volunteers assemble 100,000 nutritious meals for distribution through local food pantries such as Network of Ministries, ICNA Relief, and Minnie's Food Pantry. Now in its 4th year, FCE at EPIC has grown into a symbol of unity and compassion. Every year, over 1,000 volunteers from churches, hospitals, scouts, relief organizations, and faith-based groups come together under one roof, working hand-in-hand to combat food insecurity. EPIC Overnight Warming Shelter, a partnership in service and compassion. At EPIC, we are honored to stand alongside the Plano Overnight Warming Shelter, PAWS, Coalition, and the City of Plano in providing a safe and warm refuge for the homeless during life-threatening winter conditions. The PAWS, Coalition, with the leadership of the City of Plano and local faith communities, laid the foundation for this critical initiative, ensuring that those experiencing homelessness have a place to seek shelter during extreme cold. In 2022, EPIC proudly joined PAWS as the 7th team, expanding the coalition's capacity to serve the most vulnerable in our community. In 2023, EPIC took its commitment a step further by opening its own facilities to become the official overnight warming shelter for the City of Plano. This milestone was only possible because of the groundwork established by PAWS, the dedication of volunteers, and the support of city leadership who recognized the growing need for shelter space. This year alone, there were 30 events and 21 shelter days, providing warmth whenever temperatures dropped to dangerous levels. 180-plus guests at peak capacity, ensuring no one was left out in the cold. EPIC Back to School Drive, empowering our future, one student at a time. At EPIC, we believe that every child deserves the opportunity to succeed, and success starts with the right tools for learning. Through our annual Back to School Drive, we ensure that students from all faiths and backgrounds have access to the essential school supplies they need to thrive in the classroom. Every year, EPIC distributes back-to-school supplies to over 500 students, providing them with the necessary materials to start the school year confidently and prepared.
Thank you, EPIC, for all the backpacks and drinks. Thank you so much, and God bless everything you do. And we're happy, and our kids are going to be happy too. Thank you.
EPIC's vision for the future, expanding our impact, strengthening our community. As we look toward the future, EPIC is ready to take a leadership role in scaling up our efforts by investing in a dedicated community services center, a space designed to expand our outreach, strengthen partnerships, and enhance critical services for those in need. This state-of-the-art facility will serve as a central hub for essential programs, ensuring that individuals and families facing food insecurity, homelessness, and healthcare disparities receive the support they need. Our vision includes expanded food pantry, full-service medical clinic, soup kitchen, clothing closet, mobile medical clinic expansion, permanent warming shelter. To bring this vision to life, EPIC is committed to working alongside city, county, and state officials, as well as faith and non-faith-based organizations. Together, we can ensure that no one in our community is left behind.